Welcome back, everybody. Today, I'm going to teach you how to enable GoHighLevel's new workflow builder. This updated builder gives you access to more advanced automation features and a cleaner interface for building workflows across your sub-accounts. Let's start by opening your browser and heading to the GoHighLevel login page. Once you're there, sign into your account using your credentials. Make sure you're using the right login details, as you'll need agency-level access to enable this feature for your sub-accounts. After logging in, you'll need to access the agency account switcher. If you manage multiple agencies or sub-accounts, you'll see an account switcher at the top of your screen. Click on it and make sure you're logged in as the agency manager account. This step is crucial because the new workflow builder can only be activated at the agency level, not from within individual sub-accounts. Now that you're in the right account, look at the left navigation menu and scroll down to the bottom. You'll see a settings option there. Click on it. This will open up your agency settings where you can control features and configurations across all your sub-accounts. Once you're in the settings menu, look for an option called Labs. Click on Labs to open it. The Labs section is where GoHighLevel releases beta features and new tools before they're rolled out to everyone. You'll notice two tabs here, Agency and Sub-Account. Go ahead and click on the Sub-Account tab since that's where we'll enable the new workflow builder. On the Sub-Account tab, you'll see a search bar at the top. Type in Workflow and hit Enter. This will filter the results and show you all the workflow-related features available in Labs. Scroll through the results until you find the one labeled New Advanced Builder for Workflows. This is the feature we're looking for. On the right side of this feature, you'll see a button that says Disabled for all sub-accounts. Click on Activate feature. A pop-up will appear showing you a list of all your sub-accounts. Select the specific sub-accounts you want to activate this feature for. You can choose all of them or just a few depending on your needs. Once you've made your selections, click Done, and that's it. The new Advanced Workflow Builder is now enabled for your chosen sub-accounts. Your team can now access the updated builder with improved functionality and a better user experience. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.